DWN TV. Wanna go tell your friend. Subscribe. Yo. DWN. Wanna go tell your friend. DWN. Back at it again. DWN TV. DWN TV, and this is your boy Do Beats. Right, we come back on a new one again. It's been a while, you know what I mean? Busy up on the work. Say Thanksgiving and say Christmas season right around the corner, New Year's. Yeah, you know what I mean? So we're busy upon the 9 to 5, that we are way, me I tell her, God no star. So, you know what I mean? Like some of the women do nothing, so the video kinda take a little while to come out. But we're back at it again. But we have a new program right now. We come to talk to people. And I say, because right now, I like what I go on. Jamaica people, wise up, no man. Wise up. You see it? So, get into it.
I buried my mother at 17, man. 17 years old, I had to be a man on my own. Now I'm growing into a multi-millionaire. And I'm not running from my people, I'm running towards it. I want to make money, and I want to bring it back to my people so we all can eat. So we all can take our kids out the country. So we all can travel. Take our sons and daughters to Disneyland one day. Get our passports.
See there? You hear what the man said a while ago? Get her passport stamp. You know what I mean? Visit Disney World. So that me I try for sure Jamaica right now. We need to get with visa free if we can go anywhere in the world we want to go. So me I say we stuck one place. That's why so much violence and crime are going on. The youths, them can't elevate. You understand what I say, my people? Jamaica need to be free. You know what I mean? Visa free. We're supposed to can't travel anywhere in the world we want to go. You see me I say? Taking some more of the youth I say.
Escape this place and show the world that the best gifts come from the bottom. See, in this world right now, kings, a lot of black kings and queens believe we the whole puzzle. But we only a piece. I'm a piece, you a piece. Don't tell your brother to stand behind you. Tell him to stand on side of you because he a king too. Take care of your community. It don't matter how small a home is. The only thing matters is the love that's inside of it. We all we got, kings and queens. We all we got, man.
Yes, my Jamaican people. We have to stand up for the rights. You understand what I say? We have to come together. You know what I mean? And them people where I move like them now in a sense, Rasta, and just make things look bad, I need enough for to open the eyes, because I come like on the blind. You see it? So, me, I listen man like foot hype, you know what I mean? A whole heap of vlog out them me I listen from over the years. And me never yet talk, but it's my time for talk now. You see it? So, me I talk to my Jamaican people, you know what I mean? From day one, we for free. Because you see, Jamaican name bigger than the Jamaican people itself. You know why I say that? I'm going to tell you why I say that. Because, you see, when me come to New York, right? And me there I go on all my vibes and a bill and me see the people move to another level where I say, yeah, the place nice. You see it, because people are go about them business, people do them work. People I get on the grind. You see me, I say, I'm not too see a man on the street corner, a rub out and miggle. No, I'm not see them things like that. You know what I mean? But, I get to understand that Jamaican name bigger than Jamaican people. And when me go to the subway in a restaurant and jump on one of them train there, Yeah, and then me the train, I say, next stop, Jamaica have. Me I say, Jamaica have. What I say? Jamaica have the in America? Lie. We can't believe it, Rasta. I say, if Jamaica name there in America as a street name, and we Jamaican people cannot get a visa for go America. Yeah, and the few people them will get visa and get the opportunity and get a chance. Happy for them, because I tell you, say, no easy when you go to the embassy there and go around the counter business there and talk to the people, and when them say, denied, oh God, all your heart drop out of your, my God. No feelings, and no nice feelings. You know why? Because a whole heap of time I go through no feelings there. You see it, and I tell you, say, yeah, I want to jump out of me. Yeah. One time I go to embassy and I see a lady get through and I tell her, say, Ja, the woman bawl like a baby. Woman said, thank you, God. So that's what I know, say freedom. I never say freedom, because I want to deal with the dumb thing, you know. Free up the youths, them. It's when you get the opportunity to fly up on a plane go in a different country. It's a different mind set you get the youths, them. For example, say a thing I go on to Miami and a man want to go enjoy himself. A one man or a 2 man probably them visa can't fly out and the rest of the man them can't make the move. A man feel a way rasta. But they say if Jamaica was a country where we jump on a passport and go anywhere in the world. Enough youth who no want to pick up no gun. Enough youth who no deal with no badness. Enough youth who no want to do them career. They no want a police record. Because, watch out, them want to go full jar themselves in America, Rasta. Or England or Canada. Anywhere them want to go. But the youth, them in the ghetto. You know, when we say ghetto, the garrison, you know what I mean? Them all along the youths. Mostly uptown people are fly out, you know. A few people in the garrison road boy can't fly out. You see, that's why you see uptown people up on a different meditation because them travel the world. And so, their mind open up to the world so them can think a different level of life. But the youth them was stuck in the garrison. The youth them was stuck one place and now move. And see man a drive through and a ride through and I said, Jaja, wish me can own a car or a bike. And a man come and say, yo, see I want GUN here, you know, what you want? A man I go take that. But it's for the know say we're free from long time can jump on a plane anytime we want like enough Caribbean country. Enough youth even thinking of going a gang or thinking about taking up a gun because him know say him no want to feel him police record dirty. You see it? So you see Jamaica people, we need to stand up and fight for our rights. We need to free up. We need to have our wings can fly anywhere we want to go in the world. Them need to fly the gate for Jamaican people. And then you can see the better liberty in a Jamaica. Any day, Jamaica free to fly go anywhere in the world. Remember me tell us a crime expire. So me I say, and them know that too. Them know that. Take a look on this and look on how you'd feel good for know some go up on a plane. Check this out.
50 surprised his friend with his first flight.
Wicked and on fire. Oh, good. So up far then. You give me pay on fire. Fire. Fire my father. Oh boy. Yeah, the suitcase my father. Light mood.
Jesus Christ, not. Yes, what me I talk about. Look how a man feel good. When the man them call him back and say, yo, foreign. Can't believe. Because the man feel a way, you know. I walk out and the rest of them dogs, them, I fly out left him alone, you know. You know. He must smile, but deep in him heart, he must say, John, I wish I could have fly to it up. And see them wish come right through. But then I saw it for go. Man, for free for fly go anywhere, Rasta. Jamaica passport should be a passport where can travel the world. Because you see Jamaica name big all over the world. So why the people them can fly all over the world too? You know which part me work? Me know a brother, a white man, can sing every Bob Marley song, Rasta. And me who come from Jamaica don't even know every Bob Marley song. Look at that. Every day the man see me and work, the man says, Selassie. See? And the man a sing out some Bob Marley. The man a tell me something about Bob Marley I don't even know. And me come from Jamaica. So that I want the people to look upon it. The government. Yeah, me I say, man. As I say about foot or eye one at a time. You know, the man talk about politician. You know. And me as a man, I never voted. Saying. But when the man say, all who no vote. And when the politician them do a thing. The whole of we feel it. And true. Yes, what I say. The whole of we feel it, Rasta. But they say anytime I vote. Anytime I vote. I feel the man where free up Jamaica. The man will say every Jamaican can fly go anywhere they want. And I brother me I vote for. Anytime a prime minister come to him sense and can tell the people themselves. Yeah man. Anytime a politician come to him senses and know say the youths them and the garrison, everybody, every Jamaican should be free. You know what I mean? Fly go where you want to go. I not say badness are going to stop, you know. And war are going to stop, you know. And bad mind are going to stop, you know. That can't stop, but it are going to cut right down. Because a youth know, say, watch, I don't want my police record get dirty. You know. I want to fly out Rasta. You understand? So, Mr. Prime Minister, anyone that uno hire, I could want the green or the red or the orange, whatever you want to be. But it's any time when you come to the senses and make Jamaican people can be free to fly anywhere they want to go. You know, Jamaican passport should be a book where we need it. Everybody need it. Because why it big if you can't fly. You see me, enough little small island right now can fly go anywhere in the world. Why cannot we do the same thing too? Jamaica people look into it now, man. Wise up, man. I'm out.